I beg. This is a very important message this morning. If you know say you be Igbo or you be Yoruba, even though you are Yoruba Muslim, we people should leave the north now. These bandits, or what you call them, terrorists, they are already planning, and all their Serikis, the Sultan of Sokoto, the Emir of Kano, Kaduna, anywhere, they've all planned together that once America starts killing these bandits, they want to start killing Igbo and Yoruba. They want to turn into a civil war, so that America can back off. Everybody pass this message around, though. Pass this message around. I'm telling you again, though. They are planned to kill Igbo and Yoruba Muslim in the north. All these northerners are the same. They are not different. Every Igbo man does not have business to be in the north now. America is already in Nigeria. They want to take the revenge or turn the matter to a civil war that is no longer genocide or it's no longer Christian. Now they are killing Nigerians to Nigerians. If you know that you are Igbo man, leave the north now. If you know you are Igbo, pass this message to your fellow Igbos that are in the north. Bring your children home before they start blocking the road and killing you. Remember, it happened in 1964, 1965, 1966, 1967. They want to turn this into a civil war. If you know that you are Igbo, leave the north, or the north is not safe for Igbo. Share this message, let's save some life. Igbo people should leave the north, or don't have business in the north now. Oh.
You all have heard what that young man said. He said that northern leaders and those people that are sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria, they are planning to start killing the Igbos if Donald Trump invades Nigeria. The major people that are not happy that Donald Trump said that he will come to Nigeria to fight terrorism are the north. 90% of northerners don't want Donald Trump to come to Nigeria. Even when they are killing some Hausa people in the north, even when they are killing some Muslims in the north, 90% of northerners don't want Donald Trump to come. Who are the people that these terrorists from the north wants to be killing if Donald Trump comes to Nigeria? It's the Igbo people. When there is violence in Nigeria, now Igbo man blood, they go take the that fight. And that's because so many Igbo people don't know their left to right. So many Igbo people forget the past. Anything at all where they happen for this country, now Igbo man be sacrificial lamb. The way that guy is talking, you will know that this guy is not an Igbo person, but he's sending a message to Igbo people. Before the 1966 coup, northerners have been killing Igbo people in the north. After the coup, northerners started killing the Igbos again. It led to the Biafra war. Northerners started killing Igbo people the more. They massacred Ndigbo, both in the north and in Igbo land. In the whole of Nigeria, the major tribe that majority of its people don't know themselves are Igbo people. Even after all the killings that these northerners have been killing Ndigbo since the history of Nigeria, Ndigbo kept investing in the north. That alone supposed to tell Ndigbo, say, this area is not where you people are supposed to be building and investing in. But instead, Ndigbo are there, building hotels, building mansions. If these northerners start attacking now Igbo people, shops, businesses and mansions, they will start to kill, they destroy. Because northerners believe that the people that told Donald Trump that there is Christian genocide in Nigeria, they believe that those people that said it are Igbo people. However, people don't know that Fulani people are not seeing them as one people. Fulani people are conquerors. They conquer people to take their land. But they are using Hausa people to actualize that aim. So many Hausa people don't know that they have been conquered. They still see Fulani people as their brothers. They don't know, say, Fulani people not send whether una be Muslim. They don't say whether una they practice the same religion called Islam. They are only there to take your land. And that was why Fulani people are trying to take all the lands in Nigeria so that they will bring other Fulani people in other parts of Africa to come and settle in Nigeria. But so many Hausa people are not seeing this thing. All they know is they are all Muslims. They don't know that they don't have the same agenda with Fulani people. And that is what Fulani people are doing today. They want to take over the whole lands in Nigeria. That is why Fulani people go about killing people all over the country. Fulani people are using Fulani herdsmen going about the country, killing people, displacing them so that they will take those lands. They not have been killing Ndigbo since the history of Nigeria. Yet, now northern Nigeria not good for Ndigbo to go they build, they invest. Oh yagame. Chai! Alo Ndigbo. Ndigbo don't remember the past. That is the problem of an Igbo man. If you like kill 100 Igbo people today, so many Igbo people not send. All they know is business, money. If to say fire they burn for this place, some Igbo people go enter that fire, make fire they burn them, so far make they collect money. One of the major problems of Ndigbo is money. And now that money, they make so many Igbo people, they forget so much. Ndigbo forget a lot. It's so shameful. How many Yoruba people get investments for northern Nigeria? How many Yoruba people get investments for this south where we did so? How many Yoruba people get investments for southeast? How many Yoruba people get investments for middle belt? That's because their elders there are telling them to not invest in those regions. And the Yoruba people carry that mindset. That's why if anything happens for this country now, Yoruba people have nothing to lose in the south and in the southeast. They have nothing to lose in the north. And that's because they don't imbue and invest in those places. Show me how many companies where they your community where they say, my Yoruba person get them. Show me any school, any company, any factory for south and southeast where they say, my Yoruba person get them. The only thing that Yoruba people have all over the country is church, Redeem, Winners, Deeper Life. That is what they have here. But if you go around the country, Ndigbo have schools, mansions, factories, industries, businesses, and so on. They have forgot that this country called Nigeria hates Ndigbo to the core. Instead of Ndigbo to be investing in this country called Nigeria, let them go to other African countries and invest. Northern Nigeria is not where Ndigbo are supposed to be building and investing. Because if any small thing happen for that place, they go start to they kill Ndigbo. They take Ndigbo houses, they take their businesses. So many indigenous Igbo people in this south have told me countless times that they have houses that they built with their own money in the north. But that northern violence chased them away. Now, those houses now belongs to northerners. If you go to the southeast, we see so many of our southeast brothers will be telling you that houses that they built in the north with their own money, that the violence in the north chased them away. They ran back to the southeast. Those their houses have been taken by northerners. When there is violence, the easiest people to target in Nigeria are Igbo people. This is where this man they talk for video. So now fact, he's saying the fact because that is the plan of these terrorists in the north. We have been preaching Akuluono for so many years. Ndigbo, stop investing in these places. These people hate you. But no, they will not hear because money is their problem. One of the major problems of Ndigbo is money. Ego before Ndigbo, ego. So many Igbo people go jump enter fire because of money. They don't care whether they kill people for this place, so they must enter that place to make sure say they make that money. It's very bad and shameful, Ndigbo. It's very bad. And now this set of Ndigbo where they invest for northern Nigeria, now them be the major people where they fight Igbo agenda. Because they feel say if anything happen now, they go lose their schools, they go lose their hotels, they go lose their mansions. Now them be the major saboteurs where we get for this Igbo land. So the leaders of Fulani people in the north are not doing anything about it. Instead, They are busy defending bandits, terrorists, and Fulani herdsmen that are killing people all over the country. Yet, some Igbo people are still building and investing in the north. Una say supposed to tell una say, these people not good. This place not be where we go build and invest. Why e be say some Igbo people not fit get sense? Some Igbo people not just get sense. Upon say this northern don kill so many Igbo people for this country called Nigeria. Yet, so many Igbo people don't forget all those things. During the Biafra war, 3 million Igbos were killed. No kind of way where they're not killing the Igbo for this country called Nigeria by the northerners. Yet, now northern Nigeria na good for Ndigbo to build the invest. Egwo, oyagami, egwo. It's very bad. And that is because so many Ndigbo are not telling their children our history. All this knowledge that we're going to tell our children, say, this place is not be where we go build the invest to. Tell your children history. Tell them what is happening. Tell them say they want to make money. May they go outside this country called Nigeria. May they carry their wealth, come back home. They invest for Igbo land. Some Igbo people not even get any investment for their village. Some not get any investment for Igbo land. But they get investments full north, full Yoruba land. People will not like you. Now there you debut, they invest. If any violence will start now, they will start to demolish Igbo shops and businesses for the north. They will start to kill Igbo people for the north. Even if Ohades and Ndigbo tell Ndigbo say, make una come back, stop investing in those places. Some of them go to say, no concern us, waiting concern us. Now Ohades and Ndigbo know what they talking, and that one not concern us. If we see they tell them, they're not go here. If Trump eventually invades Nigeria, Igbo people will be killed in the north, whether you like it or not. Ndigbo are calling on Donald Trump to come to Nigeria. Northerners are saying that he should not come. You can't say as we Igbo say they call Donald Trump to come. You think say they sweet Northerners, Abi? Let Donald Trump come first, and you will see that Northerners will start killing Ndigbo just like they killed Ndigbo before the coup and after the coup. Ndigbo Akulelno, bring your wealth back home and stay clear from these zones that are supporting terrorism, and stay clear from these people that hate you. A word is enough for the wise. Ishiegwale.